my Brit babes, what's up y'all? So this wig is from KEIZANAR Hair off of Amazon, and I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but whatever. So this is the wig that they sent me. They sent me a wig cap as well as 3D eyelashes, and this is not a sponsored video, but I did want to show y'all how I transformed this wig. So I got I believe it's a number 4 in 27 for the color, and it does have like a little highlight in the front. This is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It is transparent. It did come pre-plucked, and it's 24 inches. So I'm not even gonna hold you y'all. Like, I did not know whether I wanted to install this wig because I didn't like the ombre. They did not blend it well between the two colors where they meet at, and it was just throwing me off a bit. Okay, so let's hop into the install. I'm using the Kiss Almighty Bun lace front wig glue, and I usually use this one when I don't want to wear my wigs for too long because it doesn't have like a super strong hold. Now y'all, this wig was giving me hell. Another reason why I didn't know if I wanted to install it was because when I put it on my head, it did not fit perfectly around the ear tab area, so I had to go in and customize that part in order for it to fit on my head perfectly. Okay, so at this point, I'm just installing the wig, girl. Like, I don't even know what hairstyle I want to do. I'm thinking about, okay, maybe I want to put some braids in it, do a little half up, half down. Do I want to curl it? Do I want to cut it? Like, I cannot come up with anything to save my life, y'all. Like, I really had to sit on this for a while. Like, after I installed the wig, y'all, I really let it rest for a good hour before I decided to hop back in and figure out what hairstyle I wanted to do. Now, mind you, I'm installing this wig and I have not bleached the knots, y'all. Like, I did not bleach the knots on this wig, and it's melting so good. Not gonna lie, the lace is really nice, and these color wigs always melt the best on me. I don't know if it's because of my skin tone or what it may be, but it definitely be giving scalp without me going in and customizing the lace. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. Baby, one thing I will say about this Kiss glue is when you don't put enough glue in certain areas, you can lift that lace right on up and use that spout on the other end and just place a little bit glue down, and you'll get it in like this concentrated area. So I love that about this glue. Okay, so let me go ahead and go into depth of the specs of this wig. So as I said before, this is a honey blonde lace front human hair wig. It's a 13x4 lace, and I believe it's Swiss. Now, they claim like it's 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair that was cut from a healthy young girl. They say it's definitely safe and clean, but baby, we don't take anybody's word for safe and clean. We're gonna go ahead and wash our wigs. Yeah, make sure you wash your wigs, okay? Now, the color, like I said before, is a 4 in number 27 with a little bit of highlight in the front. It's silky, full, and thick, as you guys seen. And I did wash my wig, and it was still nice, full, and thick. As for the construction of the wig, we have a 22.5 inch average size medium cap with adjustable straps. It does have 4 combs inside. They claim that it does fit most customers' head perfectly, but in my case, I had to cut the ear tabs out and customize it so it can fit to my head perfectly. So at this point, I'm just repeating the steps, y'all. Taking that rat tail comb, pressing the lace back into the glue. Then I'm going to take my blow dryer on a cool setting. We're going to blow dry the hairline for a little bit. After that, I'm going to put on my elastic band for about maybe 30 minutes and let that sit in and melt even further. Will you ever... Okay, so because certain parts to me was still looking a little white, I decided to go in with my Ruby Kisses setting powder, and this one is in the color 13 to further melt it. And then I'm going to place some spritz on there and then let that dry. as y'all can see, the spritz definitely sets it off and gives it that natural melt look. Like, y'all cannot see the lace. No lace in sight, baby. Okay, so yeah, I was like, okay, it's giving scalp. But anyways, at this point I was like, okay girl, I'm just going to go ahead and chop it. Like, I came to the conclusion that I wanted to do a honey blonde bob. Like, I don't think I've ever done that before with a wig. Yeah, no. So I was like, yeah, let me just go ahead and chop this wig up. And as y'all can see, my husband and my son is just in my video at this point. Like, they are paid actors. Like, girl, they were not gonna sit down nowhere. Like, they just want to be in my video so bad. But anyways, y'all disregard them in the background and all that type of stuff. So I decided to go ahead and do a asymmetrical bob. Y'all, I was so scared to mess this hair up. Like, I haven't cut a bob in so long, and my scissors are trash, y'all, but I made it do what it do. So once I got the hair cut into the basic style that I wanted it to be in, I went ahead and started working on the baby hairs. And I only did baby hairs on the right side of my head because you're not going to see the other side. So once I got done with the baby hairs, I went on to flat ironing this hair, and as y'all can see, I got some really trash flat irons from this company. They sent these to me. The inside of the flat iron is now peeling, and they don't even do what they're supposed to do. I hate the fact that I gave my cheap flat irons to my sister because those were expensive and they definitely got the job done. But baby, now I gotta go and purchase some more flat irons. But anyways, y'all are going to see that it's not going to get super flat like it usually would if I was using my old flat iron. So don't judge me. Just know that, baby, these flat irons did not do their big ones. So after I flat ironed as much as possible, I went in with my wax stick and my hot comb to flatten the top of this wig as much as I could. I'm going in with the LA Colors concealer in the color Fawn to put that into the part just to define it a little bit more. So once I completed that step, it's time for me to tackle these baby hairs. I went in with my scissors, cut them down to my liking, and then I believe I used both mousse and spritz to lay down these baby hairs. So I also tried the method of curling the baby hair before laying them, and I like this method. And here I go once again, trying my best to flat iron this hair as flat as possible, y'all, and it just was not doing it for me, but I did what I could. It still came out pretty cute. Low-key, I can see your potential. I just want to see how you handle just my things so rude. You with it, I keep you get it, so you don't want to, you don't want to, you
like to see you up. Then you gotta work me up. Can you give me level up? Put you on my calendar. Come fit in my schedule. If you ain't gon' come correct, I'm coming up.
So as I finish up flat ironing this hair, we're going to go into the final look, and this is how it came out. I am so obsessed with this bob on me, y'all. Like, the colors eat down, and I just feel like it looks so good. Y'all make sure that y'all let me know what y'all think, but baby, it is giving what it needs to give. So yeah, even with the adversities of this wig, it still is a very good wig, and if you guys are interested in checking them out, I'll definitely leave their information in the description box down below, and I will see y'all in my next video. Mwah! I just wanted to pop in and let you guys know that I really do appreciate you all's support. Make sure that you go ahead and like this video up, as well as comment down below. And girl, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to your girl channel. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next one.